do a full circle to warm it up, and then we'll do launch control.
Okay. Man, this suspension feels amazing.
Yeah, it's super tight. So when we go around corners, it holds you in your seat.
Yeah. That's what I try to do with the car that I built, you know. Oh yeah. Woo.
That's about half throttle.
Half throttle? Oh my God.
That was full throttle.
Oh my God.
Alright, I'm going to do a U-turn and we'll do launch control.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Ready.
Sorry.
Oh.
I left it in manual mode. Sorry about that.
Not a problem.
Ready?
Ready. Oh my God. Oh, this is great. My big turbo Beetle will never compare to this.
But your big turbo Beetle's probably just as fun.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's pretty incredible, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a roller coaster.